And now we're going to move. It says insert an animation. Select the picture. So animation, it's going to look like if you work on Google Slides, it's slightly different. But if you guys are working on your PowerPoint, it's slightly almost same instructions. So let me show you how to insert animation. So you're gonna go, let's see the instruction, animate the picture to appear using the dissolve in effect. Remember to set your timing after effects. So you're gonna go this one here, click on it, and we'll say insert. And just by insert, we go straight, we click on insert again. Insert, we go straight down to animation. Animation, then on your right side is going to come, it should say dissolve. Okay, so we don't want only the picture, but if you like, you can animate all of them. So right here, the first one it says fade in. Then here it's your heading. Then fade in. On click, it's your picture. So I'm gonna do all of them. Okay, should be saying dissolve. Okay, how do you want it to come in? We'll say fade in and after previous. After previous, so it comes after the next one. Um, okay, let me see here. Okay, click on it. Fade in. Where's my dissolve? I don't disappear. So we'll just say fade in. It comes in just like that. I'll play it for you so you can see. Make sure it's after previous. Then you're not going to click on this one by paragraph. If you click on paragraph, it means everything on the page is going to come at once. So you're gonna leave it unchecked. And down here, how fast would you like it? Let's go medium. Then once we finish with that one, we do that. Then we click on the picture. It says fade in. I'm gonna change and get something else. We will say flat out right. Remember all of them after previous, so it follows each other nicely. And speed. Let's see what's going to happen if you click add animation. No to animation. If you say add, then it means we animating one picture twice. We don't want to do that. Once you're done, you check it how it's going to look like. See, then it's animated. Now everything is moving. So you're going to click on that. The first one, you don't find that dissolve. Let's Once you're done, you stop it, and you're going to go to second page or second slide. You read the instruction. It says animate the picture of the car to appear using the fly from right. Okay, you go picture of your car and going to click animation and fade in fly from right after previous, guys. All of them is going to be after previous. And let's go slow. So we check it if it's working. The car is not there, then it comes. Okay, we stop it, we happy, then we move forward. Go to the next one. That's how we do animation, guys. Next instruction says animate the picture of the aeroplane to appear using the grow and 10. Grow and 10, that's the aeroplane, and next one the picture of the ball zoom effect. Okay, let's click on the ball. Let's do this one first. 10. Then we add animation. Zoom and so we have zoom out, zoom in. So you will either go for in or out. So we'll just go for in and should be after previous. Then you click on this one, the ball, animate. It should be, let me see the instruction again. I think I missed it. Instruction is the ball zoom effect. Oh, that one is 10. I mixed them up. Okay. This one, aeroplane, it should be not zoom in, spin. So we're gonna spin the plane. And the ball, we're going to zoom in. And after previous, let's click to see. Okay, spin, and it zooms in. If you like to animate your words, you can still do that. So I'm gonna stop it so I can move nicely to the last one. Let's see, the last one is animate the word art to appear using the spinner effect. Animate your name in the text box to appear using the flip effect. Okay, spin, then flip. I hope to remember. I think I forgot already. um, Wait art, spinner, text box, flip. Okay. Wait art. Now, since it's here, and you just click on it, then it comes. You're going to click on add effect. We wait art spinner. We don't have spinner. We have appear. We'll just zoom in, just spin it, and your name. I think I should be going one by one because I forget. Flip name. Let's add. Do we have flip? We don't have flip fly out, so you will use anyone you like. So because this is how you animate your images or your words or your slide. So I'll say fly in from the bottom, and remember it should be after previous. By paragraph, you do not check it. You leave it like that. Let's see now how it's gonna go. So I'm gonna start from number one and present. Okay, go on. Then click on enter to go to the next one. The car coming, then the animation. So that's how you animate. Next tutorial, we are going to insert transitions into our presentation shorts. So these are instructions for PowerPoint, but remember guys, we are not using PowerPoint anymore. We are using Google Slide. So it's not gonna look the same, and I'm going to show you how to find it. You're going to go down to slide number one. So slide number one, we have to insert a transition, and it should be boxing. Remember, Google Slide and PowerPoint, they slightly different, but they do the same. So I'm going to show you how to insert, and we're going to choose any one of our choices since we do not have boxing. Okay, that's right here at the top. You do not go anywhere, you're not clicking anywhere. Just make sure that you do not click on the title, and just make sure that you not click on the picture. Just make sure that you not click on the writing. You click, remember how we insert a background. Just click at the bottom or corner of your slide. And after clicking on it, it will go boom. If it doesn't go boom, just listen to my boom. And you're going to click on transition. Yes, it's gonna come. It says none. We look for boxing, so we don't have boxing. Instead, let's use cube or use flip or use gallery, dissolve, any of your choice. Once you're done, you're going to choose speed, fast, medium, and please make sure that you do not click on apply to all slides. Once you're done, you test it. Does it work? It looks like. Okay, it's fine. Then we go to the next slide, but before, make sure that you read the instruction. Instruction for slide number 2 says transition should become vertical. I don't think we have come vertical. Click on slide number 2, click on transition, and come vertical. We don't have, so we'll choose a different one. I'll go for dissolve, you go for any. Once we're done, click on speed. I want it very slow. So you'll choose your speed as well. Then you test it, dissolves nicely, and we have it. Then we're going to go to the third slide. The car moves beautifully. and click on stop so you can go to the slide fade slide fade slide fade slide. Instruction is transition should be chatbot down. Also don't have it. Make sure that you don't do the mistake I did. Click just outside the writings. Transition, you will choose a different one. Do you go for flip? I'll go for flip. Choose different one, guys. Once you're done, choose your speed. Test. It's working. Working. Look at that. Lovely. Once you're happy, you're going to go to last slide. And we read the instruction. It's very important, guys. We read the instruction. If we don't, then we're not going to know what to do. Slide number 4, we're doing news flash. News flash. We don't have news flash. Again, we click on transition. We will choose a different one. We use dissolve. We use cube. We use flip. And let's see gallery. Last one, I'll use gallery. And choose speed. Test. There's gallery there. Okay. Then moves, and your name is there. Then we go, let's look at our instructions. And once we finish with translation, that means we're done. But guys, this doesn't mean you finish. So go around, explore, spend a whole lot of time, test things that you've never tested. Just don't follow my instructions and leave it like that. Have fun, explore, and I will see you in the next lesson where we are not now going to follow instruction, but we will be creative. Remember, theme for this year is creativity. So, encouraged to be creative. But before I leave you guys, I'm going to present the entire screen to show you how it looks like now. The previous one looked slightly different. So let's see the final thing and how it looks like. Okay, comes in nicely there, dissolve like you're watching a movie. The car coming. Nice. If you like, you can edit or you put transitions on your titles and words. Guys, you have it, and that's it from me. See you next lesson.